Do you ever wonder what opportunities your life gives you? All the adventures, beautiful and crazy things that you can do. The traveling and goals that you have yet to accomplish. I am Alex Wright, and this is my journey.
Hey everyone! Hey my dear friends! I am back at my channel, and today we're doing a homestyle video. Which I rarely do. It's mostly like vlogs and travel vlogs and stuff. But today we have something to review, and it is this amazing, humongous box from Everything 5 pounds. I don't know if you guys heard of this website. This is a British website. It's from UK. However, they offered me to review their box. They gave me about 20 pounds, which is I don't know how many dollars. But anyway, the idea is that everything on this website is 5 pounds, which is about $7, and that was quite interesting to shop. So I'm assuming they're getting stuff from the other stores that haven't sold their clothes and they're just reselling them. But shopping and seeing different shoes, different jackets, coats, sweaters, underwear, and everything is 5 pounds. That's just amazing. So I'll try not to mention the prices too much because everything is 5 pounds. And let's get right into it. A disclosure, I have opened the box before because I was just so curious what's in it. My friend wasn't here and we just like, oh, this works and this doesn't. But everything is the way how it was when it initially came, and I'm gonna show it to you. So let's see what happens. Alright, so the first item we get is this black t-shirt. I think that's what I'm ordered, and it's with mesh and this kind of see-through material. Very cute. On the website it looked cute. It looked something that I could wear to work. But let's try it on. Alright, so there is this top. I feel like it's really cute. You could wear something like this to work, with jeans, with leggings, with classy pants. And I just like how the material is kind of thick enough. And this is really cute. This detailing is just wonderful, and the quality of the shirt itself is perfect. They are usually quite itchy, but this one is just really thin and nice. So I give a thumbs up to this shirt, and it's cute, isn't it? I like it. The most important fact though, this was, guess what? 5 pounds. That's really cute. I actually like this. This is like kind of going to the movies vibe, I guess. It's cute. I like it. I'm impressed. Alright, so the next thing we have is this cardigan, which initially when I ordered it on the website it looked white, and I would never buy something this color, even though I've tried it on and it kind of works. So this is a cardigan that's a light pink color. I hope you guys can see. It's like peachy pink, peachy cream, and the label is still here. It's from Miss Look, Fashion You Love. So I guess they're getting stuff from other websites that haven't sold their things, and they're reselling them for 5 pounds. There's no price on this one. It's just a small/medium size. I'm not sure what that means. That's the cardigan. The style of it I like. Like I think I could wear this to work as well, or just walk around the city when it's a little bit colder. Because right now in LA it's freaking hot, but I think fall, like beginning of fall, that would be really nice. Alright, so this is the cardigan itself. Again, it's the color of it, peachy, like creamy pink. I am not a fan of, but I feel like I could pull it off with something. I don't know, let me know what you think. I'm like, about it. Is this a yes or a no? And the length of it is until like my ankles almost. So it's almost a short sleeve, but not really full long sleeve either. So let me know what you guys think. Is it a yes? Is it a no? Do you like this? Do you hate this? Help me out. But yeah, speaking about the material, it's a little bit itchy. Not the softest thing, not as soft as the shirt before. But if you wear it over a top, I think it's pretty cute. Good with jeans and heels. I think that would be a cute look. I just don't like the color of it, honestly. If it was white, I'd be like thumbs up, but because it's this pink color, I don't know. Alright, so far I have mixed feelings about Everything 5 pounds. Some things I like, some things I don't. So let's see what's next. Ooh, the next thing we have I was really thrilled about, because it's a skirt, I don't wear skirts a lot. I just like dresses or pants. I just don't really know how to pair skirts well. And this is the summery skirt, which is cute. I feel like it's such a beach, Marina Del Rey kind of vibe, just like heels on a platform, the skirt and a bodysuit or something. And I really like the detailing here. You know how it's cut off a little bit at the front, like the shape of it. And the material is really nice. It looks like something like a Forever 21 would sell. Really cool. Let's see if there's a label on it. Wow, this is weird. Look at this. Wow, I'm shocked. They left the sizes, but they cut off the label. Who did this? Who made this skirt? Why? Like, it's not a shame if you're reselling stuff from other websites. I don't feel like it should be a problem. But anyway, this is just a little bit weird. And then they left this as well. Yeah, weird. Let's try it on. I feel like it's a little tight. Maybe my hips are a little too big for this. But let's try. Alright, it's on. While putting it on, it was a little bit of a problem because of my hips. They're pretty wide out here. But overall, I think it's a really cute skirt. I got it on without breaking the skirt. So here is that. Alright, so there is that skirt. It's really cute. I feel like the detailing is sweet. I like it. Would be really good with a bodysuit. It's a little mini summery skirt. I think it looks great on the body as well. And I don't know, I give it a thumbs up. I really like this skirt, even though I don't wear skirts a lot. But I think it just looks cute. What do you guys think? Is it a yes or a no? And yes, I'm wearing socks with bugs. It's cute too. I don't know, I think I like it. It's a cute little sock. It's a cute little skirt. The color and the material I like a lot. It's a little nautical, reminds me of something nautical to me. So I like it. The next item I'm so thrilled about. It was probably the most intriguing thing in the box, and it's the last piece as well. I wasn't sure about it. On the website it looked kind of cute. I think I could pull it off. The only thing though, you really need to iron this, and it's not ironed, so don't really judge it. But look at this. This is a little satin dress. It's a coffee kind of color. The material is really soft. It's like silky. And I love this. The color of it, I like a lot. It's like a light brown color. I hope you can see this. I really like nude colors, warm tones on my clothing. That's weird because I hate them on my Instagram pictures. And this dress is from Miss Look as well. They left the tag on. See, that's nice. That's okay. You can resell stuff from other websites. I don't judge. Miss Look, I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. But there's the dress. And I don't think the quality of it is too bad. So it has some straps. It comes with the 2 layers at the front, so you won't be able, it won't be like too see-through. So yeah, let's try this on. I think that's gonna be cute. We'll see. Alright, so as I am putting this on, I'm trying to figure out how this dress works properly. Let's see. Wow, the color though. Look at this. I feel like when I iron it, it's gonna look so cute. And then it's really soft, guys. And this color is everything. Wow, look at these bohemian vibes. And it's a long sort of dress. It's like a little meaty, I think. Alright, I'm trying to figure out the stitches and everything. Where does that stuff go? Should I tie this at the back? I don't know, there's something weird about this dress, but I feel like I don't mind it. Or should I tie this at the front? Okay, I'm trying to make this cute, so no judgments, please. Right, I think I'm gonna just leave this as it is. Wow, a little cocktail dress. Look at this. I feel like this is really cute with heels, with some nude heels. Summery dress. I think I'm gonna wear this to my friend's birthday dinner on Sunday. Cute! Wow, I look like a real woman. I don't know, it just makes me older, I think. I really like this. I honestly, when I bought this dress, I think it will either be fine and everything is gonna be great, or they're really gonna mess it up. It's like either or. With sating, you never know. It sometimes looks cheap on online websites, sometimes it doesn't, and it comes perfect like this. Wow. I am obsessed with this material. I'm gonna step up on the table. Oh, I'm falling! Alright, I'm hanging on the ceiling. I don't know, I think this is cute. The booty looks fine too. So cute! So yeah, I think when I iron it and it's gonna like sit perfectly on me, I'm gonna look fire! Or my hair loose. Like a diva. Alright, now I'm just being playful. I really like this dress. Overall impression of £5. I like this. For the prices, so affordable, and the website is huge. So many items, so many pages. Honestly, I figured out a little trick that all the trendy stuff, all the cute stuff is on the first 3 to 4 pages. After that, I'm like, whatever. There's no point looking at this at all. It doesn't fit my style. So all the cute stuff is on the first pages. I really like this. I am grateful for this gift from Everything £5, since they gave me £20 for free. So I bought this 4 items for free, and they shipped it from UK to US or whatever way. It's pretty cool, and I think if you're buying it with your own money, it's so affordable. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube where people spend like, I don't know, $200 on these shopping stuff, and they buy like huge boxes. And there's a lot of stuff to look at. So all the stuff I got fits me well, except of that pink little cardigan. I don't know what to do with it. Another cool thing, Everything £5 gave me a promotional code for you guys. If you decide to buy that from Everything £5, and I think you should because it's affordable, just be sure to buy something that you're pretty confident in, like when it comes in real life from online store, it's gonna look cute, so don't experiment with it. I would recommend just buy something like pajamas and sweaters and a little cute summery light dress that you know that an online website cannot mess it up. And the website is really easy to use. So what I'm saying is that they gave me a promotional code, and I'll put it right here, my code. So you can use it at the checkout to get a 5% discount, and the code is existing for a limited amount of time. So go ahead, shop on 5pounds.com. I give you my honest thumbs up. Go ahead, I definitely recommend this website. It's so easy to use, fast shipping from other part of the world. They got it to me within 1 week. And yeah, look at this dress. Just because of this dress, I'm gonna give thumbs up to Everything £5 because it just looks so cute. Once again, this is my code. I'm gonna put the links in the description down below. And to sum up this video, in the comments down below, let me know what kind of video do you guys want to see next? What kind of content do you want? Also check out my Instagram. This is here. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos and staying with me. If you're new to the family, maybe I should make a video about my life. Who am I? What am I doing in US? Because I'm Russian. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna head to the gym now because I'm back at the, fitness stage. I'm gonna run for about an hour and then do stretching because I really want to do a split. Alright, that's it for me. I love you guys so much. You are the best. Be with Alex Wright family. I love you endlessly, and thank you. Bye bye.